Okay, so the last time I am going to Baltimore to visit my best friend from college. And so I just thought I would take you on the journey to getting ready for this trip, all the like little tips and tricks that I do to get ready for a trip like this. Okay, so the last time I went on a trip, Matt and I were going to Reno, and that's when he forgot we were flying that day and not the day after. So I never really got to pack. I came home and threw stuff in a suitcase, and I had planned to use these bad boys that I got at TJ Maxx. So what you're supposed to do is you put clothes in them, and then you vacuum seal them out, and so all the air goes out, and so you're supposed to be able to fit more in your bag. I think I'm gonna try to use these today because I didn't get to use them the last time. And I'll let you know if they work or not and how easy they are to use. I mean, I guess where you're going, you also have to have a vacuum too because you have to suck it back up. So keep that in mind. If you take this to like a hotel or something, you don't have a vacuum, how are you gonna get your clothes back in? But I'm going to my friend's house. I'm assuming she has a vacuum that I could suck my clothes back into. So we'll see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is throw my friend's kids' gifts in the bag so that they're in there. I'm just gonna stick them at the bottom and then go from there. And then my plan is, because I can't wrap this stuff or do anything to it, I'm just gonna take this Christmas bag and throw it all in there and be like, hey, Merry Christmas! Unless Joy has some stuff laying around, that'll work too. But I thought this would be a good just in case. Excuse me. Hi. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you for my hugs. Thank you for my kisses. Thank you so much. Do you know I'm leaving? Can you tell I'm leaving? Oh, does she know I'm leaving? Oh. Okay, let's vacuum seal this thing. Ooh, look at that. I feel like that worked so good. This is, let me see how many I've left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 outfits, including the workout outfit, but this had like the biggest jackets and the biggest like scarves and stuff, so this is cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then I could probably get another bag right here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Did I scare you? I'm too sorry. I'm too sorry I scared you. Sadie. You're making this so hard. Sadie. Back up. Sadie, where's your toy? Go get your toy. Where is it? Oh my gosh. You seeing this? How am I supposed to work with this? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Let's get you a treat. Let's distract you. Come here. Sit. Good girl. There you go. Over there. Oh my gosh, look at that! I mean, I'm definitely able to get it in there, so let's see if I can fit my shoes. I might try to put the shoes in first. Now I'm gonna do the suitcase shuffle, you know? Squeeze everything in and zip it up. Woo! I got it all in. Yay! So exciting! And I think it's supposed to be below 40 pounds, so I'm lifting it like a deadlift right now. And this does not feel heavy at all. Like, it feels super light. Like, if I was working out, I'd be like, oh, I need to go up in my weight. So that makes me think that this is for sure not 40 pounds. And yeah, I'd like to put it on a scale, but I don't have one right now because my hubby took it to work. They're having a weight loss competition at work right now, so he has it there. Unless he magically brings it home tonight and then I can actually check it. We'll see. Oh man, this hair is crazy. So I've been wanting to show you how I put together little travel bags. This is what I'm gonna take out when I go through TSA. I actually got Matt one too, and I've been wanting to build it because I wanna have a just ready to go package for if we wanna do any like last minute trips, little like, let's just go somewhere tomorrow. You know what I mean? I wanna be able to just throw stuff in a bag and be able to leave and not worry about it. So I have one for Matt and I have one for myself, so I'm gonna build mine today, and this will be stocked all the time and just ready to go on any trip. Okay, so we got this taken care of, check. Boop. Now let's check out the list. Okay, so we haven't packed makeup, but we've packed clothes, packed boys' Christmas gifts, yes. We have the wrapping taken care of, kind of. Pack shower stuff, nope, not yet. Get a Ziploc bag ready. We did that, we zipped the clothes up, which was exciting. Actually, I think what I was talking about here was for the liquids on the plane. So let's add that. Prep snacks, haven't done that yet. Ooh, neck pillow, haven't got that out yet. I'm gonna take that on the plane with me. I got my plane outfit. What's checked and what's not. That's what I'm working right now. So everything that's gonna be checked is in the bag. I'm working on this right now. Joy's gift, which is right here. Gotta get a little wrapping thing for that, so I gotta do that. Hair stuff not done yet. I'm gonna do my nails later. Need to do my nails. Don't look at him. Phone charger, didn't get that yet. I'll get headphones for the plane. Figure out what I'm gonna put on my computer. And I need a black tank top to add to the bag. Yes, I do, cannot forget that. So we're doing pretty good. Just need to get some stuff going here. Okay, this is so hard to do right now. Sadie, you're messing up all my stuff. I can't handle it. I'll try to show you what I got going on. It's just trying to eat my things. Stop it, Sadie. Stop it. Go get your toy. Where is it? Okay. Okay, let's try this again. So I think I'm gonna put Matt's man bag together now too, just so it's ready to go, mine as well. So this is my bag, and this is Matt's man bag, and he'll have this for his carry-on liquids, and I'll have this for my carry-on liquids. So let me show you what we got going on. So in Matt's man bag, usually we both travel together. Really, he doesn't really travel without me anyways, but we'll give him some Q-tips, some shout-out wipes, some deodorant, and a little first aid kit because you just never know. And then we're gonna pack this bag. And then in here we'll put all his hair gels and toothpaste and toothbrush. So just some pretty basic. He's a boy. And then for me, we got some mouthwash, toothpaste, floss, deodorant, travel size approved. We got some baby powder because that's what I use for my dry shampoo, but I do have the spray travel dry shampoo just in case. And then Q-tips, cotton balls. This is just always what I've kept my cotton balls in. I don't know why. We got some Tom's Alka-Seltzer. Actually, I might put those in Matt's bag because I don't really need these, but sometimes he does. So you just have these things around for emergencies. You never know. Thanks, Sadie. And then we got some Dove soap. And of course, ooh, we can't forget about the loofah. Dove soap loofah. We have my lotion. We have my face wash, and this is what I use to wash my face with. We have some chapstick, shampoo and conditioner, little Band-Aids, Shout, Clorox wipes. I'm gonna take these on the plane with me actually. And then lashes, because you just never know. And bobby pins, and a razor, and a little lint roller. So that's my basics of what I bring with me, because you just never know. And all of this stays in this bag or this bag, and then we'll have those two things ready to go in case we fly anywhere. We're ready to go to vacation at any time, at any moment. Just gotta pick a place. Okay, so if I was not flying on a plane tomorrow, all this stuff would be in here and kept in here all the time, unless I knew I was flying on a plane, and then I would grab this bag and take everything that was liquid and put it into here and just be ready to go, because this is my travel bag. This is my grab it and go on vacation, and you don't really need to think about it because everything you need is already in here. It's like doubles of what you use every day, pretty much, and it's just ready to go in here. And then this is where my makeup will go, and this will go in my carry-on bag. So we are good to go. Man bag. It doesn't need very much because, again, I carry most of the things, but I did put Matt's hair gel into a tiny little container. We did have a problem last time we went to Reno. Matt brought his full hair gel, and I gotta give him a little talking to, like, just don't do that again. So it's all ready to go now. And if we put shampoo and conditioners in here if we want to for him, but again, I'll probably have them so we won't need to. And actually, if this is the case, then I could just throw Matt's hair gel into my little bag, and we don't even need Matt to have a bag of liquid stuff to go through TSA. But I'm gonna throw these things in his man bag anyways, so he has them just in case he does go anywhere without me. And there we go. now we're ready to go on a trip anywhere. This is all the stuff I'm gonna take on my carry-on bag, including putting my purse into this bag. So I got my liquids, I got this bag. As I do my makeup in the morning, I will then put the items that I use into this bag, and then I will have everything I need to do my makeup because I'll be putting it on as I put it in the bag. Does that make sense? That way you don't forget anything because you're using it as you go. So part of the crazy process of getting these necklaces was that these are technically birthstone necklaces. So this one's for April, and it's a diamond, and I just wanted a pretty diamond. I didn't want any colors, you know, I just wanted it cute. And it's not for birthstone, it's for friendship necklaces. So I thought the diamond would be the best. And the thing is, it says April. And I'm like, I don't want to give it to her, and it says April on it, and her birthday is definitely not in April, and my birthday is not in April. So I made my own little background. I took some glitter cardstock that I had and made my own little thing. How cute is that? I'm so excited about it. And then what I'm doing to wrap it for her is I am putting this bag flat like this into my carry-on along with this tissue paper and the necklace, and then I'll get a card and then I'll take the card and do the same thing, so it'll lay flat in there, and then at some point when I'm at her house, I will wrap it and bring it to her and give it to her. So excited. Well, we are done packing for Baltimore. I am so excited. Joy, I'll see you soon. I cannot wait to celebrate your birthday with you. And Clint, thank you so much for making this happen. This is such a fun idea. I'm so excited. I'll make sure to document everything and any tips and tricks or life hacks I come across. Of course, I'll tell you. I'll vlog it all just because I think it's gonna be super fun. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in Baltimore. Until then, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. It's also a great gift idea for you guys. Any guys that are watching, heck, any girls that are watching, this is a perfect gift for someone that you love. If they're missing someone, give them a ticket to go see them. This is an amazing gift. Oh, now you decide to get all calm and quiet and lay down. Where was that before, huh? When I was packing up all my stuff, where was that before? Huh? You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. I'm gonna miss you so much. Okay, I'm gonna move this luggage that I don't think is 40 pounds over to the door. So it's ready to go tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm going tomorrow. Also, can we talk how cute this necklace is right now? Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. I'm so excited to give it to her. Hello, la la la.